Hey everybody, the small, medium and micro enterprises MSME sector has emerged as a highly vibrant and dynamic sector of the Indian economy for last so many years. The sector has played a crucial role in providing large employment opportunities at comparatively lower capital costs. It has also helped in the industrialization of rural and backward areas. This has reduced regional imbalances, assured more equitable distribution of national income and wealth. MSMEs are complementary to large industries as ancillary units. MSMEs contribute enormously to India's socio-economic development. There are over 6 crore MSMEs across the country which contribute 29% to the GDP and almost half of the exports. These units employ more than 11 crore people in the country. My dear friend, such an important sector of our economy is passing through very rough weather and testing time due to COVID-19 and resultant lockdown. My dear friends, understanding the importance of MSME sector in the economy and its bad financial condition due to COVID-19 and lockdown, Government of India is trying its best to provide all best support to MSME sector. In this package, government has declared 6 schemes, out of which collateral-free loan for MSME sector worth 3 lakh crore was discussed by me in my earlier video. The link for the same is given above. My dear friends, due to the coronavirus outbreak, these firms, businesses or enterprises have been finding it tough to get access to the funds. However, as a result of 20,000 crore subordinate debt for MSMEs, there is an effort by the Government of India to incentivize distressed MSMEs. Distressed MSMEs is the one whose account have been classified as NPA. My dear friends, you may be thinking that what to do if your account has become NPA, that is non-performing asset due to the various reasons like non-payment on time, etc. in the past, and therefore you are not eligible for further loan from your banks now. My dear friends, Government of India is kind enough and understand the various problems faced by the MSME sector and has come out with innovative and unique idea to help out MSMEs in this testing time of COVID-19. If I tell you that even if your account is NPA, even then you can get the further finance from bank, would you believe it? You have to believe me, because Government of India is thinking for all-round revival of the MSME sector. It is in their priority list. Even if your account was not the standard account, that is NPA, then Government of India has made up a scheme to help you out, so that you can revive your industry, your businesses or your enterprises. You may be wondering, what is this all about? My dear friends, even if your account was NPA or even distressed, even then you are eligible for a loan as per the Government of India scheme, so that you can revive your industry. Yes, the government has come out to help you out, so that you can revive your industry after COVID-19 and lockdown. This is the scheme in which even if your account was in NPA or stressed, even then your banker will provide you the line of credit. Under this scheme, now banks will be providing debt to your company, firm or enterprise, which shall be infused by you as a promoters of MSME as equity for your business or industry or firm. Once promoters infuse this money as equity in their businesses, then this will be treated as a margin money for your business for further loan from your bank. Normally, you get 3 to 4 times of your margin money as a loan from the bank. So now, say for instance, if you get 20 lakh of rupees from your bank as subordinate debt and you infuse this as equity in your business, then this will be treated as margin money and you will be eligible for further loan of rupees 80 lakh from your bank. Is it not wonderful? Now, the Government of India has provided that those accounts which are either stressed or have even become NPA under MSME, then they will be eligible for loan out of rupees 20,000 crore subordinate debt scheme to help revive MSMEs. Now I will discuss with you what is this subordinate debt, how you will get this, how this will be given to you, what will be the benefit to you from this scheme, and what are all MSMEs who are eligible for this subordinate debt under 20,000 crore subordinate debt scheme. Yes, my dear friends, it will be really difficult to you to digest that even those MSMEs where their loan account has either become distressed or have even become NPA are eligible for loan from banks now. Up till now, there was a general belief that only those borrowers whose accounts are standard as per the bank's norms and are non-NPA and non-stressed, till now loan was only given to those borrowers whose external credit rating was good, like BBB or more, to those accounts which have not defaulted in repayment of loan, to those accounts which are not under SMA 1 or SMA 2. So, up till now loan was given only to those borrowers whose track record was good, whose CIBIL rating was good, who have been paying their amount which is outstanding regularly. There have not been any default in payment and they were not classified as NPA or stressed by their banker. Only those accounts are eligible for getting the credit facility from their bank. Now, I will tell you entirely diagonally opposite story to your surprise. Under the subordinate loan scheme of the Government of India, MSMEs which are functioning and even they are either classified as NPA or are stressed are eligible for loan under this subordinate loan scheme from their banks. My dear friends, subordinate debt means that the Government of India or your bank has provided loan to your business, firm or enterprises, and that loan shall be used by the promoters as infusing their equity capital in the business, firm or enterprises, and that amount shall be used as margin money for taking further loan from your bank. Is it not wonderful? Now question will be coming to your mind, then what will be the benefit to you out of this scheme? My dear friends, there are n number of benefits to you out of this scheme, and the prominent one I am just sharing with you here for your benefit. Number 1, once you get this amount from your banker and you infuse it as promoter's equity or margin money, then your account will be treated as non-NPA. Yes, my dear friends, your account will come out from NPA category and it will be classified as a standard account. Second, there is a one main factor which decides your eligibility for loan, that is the debt equity ratio. Means when you go to your banker for a loan, then your banker asks you, how much is your own money? What is your debt equity ratio? The debt equity ratio means how much are your total outside liabilities and how much is your own funds or equity. My dear friends, normally bank asks around 25 to 30% as your margin money. Means the promoters have to infuse at least 25 to 30% as margin money and rest is being financed by the bank. Means as much amount is infused by you in your firm or industry or your enterprise, then 3 to 4 times of that amount your banker used to provide you as a loan. But my dear friends, you have already invested your share of money in your enterprise and businesses and firm, and due to COVID-19 and lockdown, you are unable to generate any fresh funds from your businesses, and even now your friends, your relatives, or even your well-wishers are not able to support you at this point of time. Your entire source of funds have squeezed and there is nothing left with you which you can infuse in your business, firm or enterprise now. So my dear friends, if you don't have the margin money, then your banker does not provide you any fresh line of credit, means that your banker does not provide you any further loan. Now there is a good and wonderful news for you from Government of India. The subordinate debt will be considered by the banks as your margin money, as promoter's equity, and you will be able to take 3 to 4 times of that promoter's equity as loan from your banker. So, say for instance, if you get promoter's equity under subordinate debt scheme of rupees 20 lakh, then you will be able to get further loan from your bank to the tune of rupees 80 lakh. Though this subordinate debt shall be provided to your company, but it will be treated as a promoter's equity by the bank. This is the beauty of this scheme. So, whatever subordinate debt that your company, firm, business or enterprise will get under this scheme, that will be infused by the promoters or the owners as promoters equity in their firm or business or company, and due to this infusion of promoters equity, the capacity of your organization or business or firm will increase to take more loan from your banker, say 3 to 4 times of the equity infused by the promoters. My dear friends, the government will be providing guarantee of the whole 4,000 crore out of this 20,000 crore to the banks, and rest will of course be the risk of the bankers. This guarantee will be provided to banks through CGTMSE, that is Credit Guarantee Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. So, government will support them with rupees 4,000 crores. My dear friends, since your businesses are stressed due to lockdown and COVID-19, you have been facing the liquidity crunch because your factories and plant and businesses were closed during lockdown and you were not able to generate sufficient revenue and income. So, this subordinate loan is going to be of great help and hope and lifeline for your businesses, through which you can revive your businesses at the earliest possible. My dear friends, it is hoped that around 2 lakh MSMEs who are either under stress or NPA shall be benefited out of this scheme. Banks are expected to provide the subordinate debt to promoters of MSMEs equal to 15% of their equity or stake in their business, firm or enterprise, subject to a maximum of rupees 75 lakhs. So, if as a promoter your equity in your firm or enterprise or business is say rupees 5 crore, then you are eligible for 75 lakh of rupees from your bank under the subordinate debt scheme, and you may get around 3 crore further loan from your banker using the 75 lakh as a margin money. If your equity in your firm is rupees 1 crore, then you are eligible for 15% of your 1 crore equity, that is 15 lakh of rupees as a subordinate debt under the 20,000 crore subordinate debt scheme of Government of India, and in turn you may take further loan of 60 lakh of rupees. My dear friends, this is the innovative idea brought about by the Government of India for revival of MSMEs, so that they may come out of the financial stress which they are facing due to COVID-19 and lockdown. My dear friends, wish you all that you revive your businesses, enterprises or firms from the shocks of COVID-19 and lockdown at the earliest possible with the help of this subordinate debt scheme declared and announced by Government of India. Stay safe and healthy. Keep watching this space for more videos of your interest shortly.